Wheezy.
You know,
Hey,
Select
Roo.
Comfort has thousands of testimonials from
Wheezy.
customers who have experienced remarkable back pain relief after sleeping on the Sleep Number bed.
What you
Let's hear
gonna
from
do
one of them
there?
now.
Look at the
Hi, who
big
do we have on
feet.
the line?
Hi, this is
Mm-hmm.
Tammy.
Hi, Tammy. Thanks for being with us. Now, do you suffer from
Kiki.
back pain?
I
Wheezy.
do. I've suffered from back pain for about the last 10 years.
Hey, come
And
back
at the
here, you.
suggestion of my neighbors who own a
You're
sleep number
huge.
bed, my husband and I
You
purchased the bed,
huge, pretty
and I
boy.
am
You're
known
worried, aren't you?
as the
You think
candy
somebody's
advisor.
gonna
The
come out
service
and
has
get
been
you.
absolutely wonderful.
Go over there with Ritz.
About 2.5 years.
And how long did it take you to notice a difference?
It was really within about the first week I noticed the difference. I would just
Hey,
wake up
boys.
feeling much more
Weezer.
refreshed, having
Ritz.
good food,
Fifi.
and everything was great.
Fifi.
Tammy sounds like one of the 93% who have experienced back pain relief. That's really great.
That's
Aww.
fantastic. Tammy, thank you for calling in. We're so happy your back is
Zoe,
feeling better.
don't get on
Thanks,
the
I am too.
computer.
Well, it is so great to see
Here.
people getting results from
Fifi.
that.
Yeah, just as impressive is the number of sleep experts and
Hey.
healthcare practitioners who sleep on
Zoe.
and recommend the
Come out
sleep
there.
number bed to their patients.
So the advantage of the new bed is it actually lifts up the spine, allowing it to stay in its neutral position, so it's nice and straight,
Key cats.
allowing the nervous system efficiently to flow the way it's supposed to. On the sleep number
Hey,
bed,
Zoe.
when we're laying on our back, the air supports
Hi,
the spine
Pete.
evenly. It keeps and maintains the natural curve in the lower back and the natural curve in the neck,
Come
therefore
out.
keeping
Huh?
the spine in
Meow.
a neutral position.
I'm a
Fifi.
physical therapist, and I often will get
Fifi.
asked what my recommendations are for a
Fifi.
bed and a mattress, and now I can definitely